HubKoin Exchange Tutorials, the streaming screen. The streaming screen in your HubKoin account allows you to buy and sell assets quickly using a module-based system. This screen also shows you your recent history of transactions. To access the streaming screen, you will need to log in to your HubKoin account. Go to hubcoin.io and click the Sign In button in the top right-hand corner. You will be redirected to trade.hubcoin.io, and you should see the login screen. Enter your credentials and log in. On the top banner, you will see the heading Streaming. Once you click on Streaming, you will be redirected to the streaming screen. The streaming screen has 3 sections. The first section is on the left-hand side and shows the modules which you can use to buy or sell your assets. The second section is on the right-hand side of the screen. This section shows a preview of your balances. More information regarding balances can be seen on the Balances screen, which you can select on the top banner. And lastly, at the bottom of the page, there is a section that shows your recent activity. You can also see your recent activity on the dashboard screen. Our video, HubKoin Exchange Tutorials How to Buy Sell, goes into detail about how to buy and sell your assets using the module system on the streaming screen. The video is less than 3 minutes, and it explains everything you need to know. The link to this video is in the description below. The streaming screen will allow you to quickly buy and sell your assets, as well as look at the history of your transactions. We hope this screen assists you on your investing journey.